Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure voicemail with your carrier is active and you have a stable signal. This prevents setup errors. Next, open the phone app and go straight to Settings or the three-dot menu, then choose Voicemail Options. That's where default settings live. If your carrier needs a PIN, enter it now so you won't be interrupted. This step establishes your identity with the voicemail system. Once done, you're ready to select default greetings and deposit options in the next step. Now choose the actual default voicemail. Tap Voicemail within Settings, then select Default or Set as Default. This binds the chosen account and greeting to incoming calls. Make deliberate choices for greeting, notification style, and whether messages auto-delete or store. Each affects how you'll retrieve messages later. Also verify the forwarding number and toggle visual voicemail if supported. This ensures messages appear in your phone app. Make sure to save change. Finish by saving all changes and immediately testing. Call your number from another phone and leave a test message to confirm the greeting, notifications, and retrieval work. If you don't hear your selected greeting or messages fail to appear, restart your phone and recheck voicemail settings to rule out a transient glitch. If problems persist, like PIN prompts or network errors, contact your carrier. They control backend configuration and can reset voicemail routing on their end to restore the default.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.